Hi guys, it's your girl, Igbo with Queen TV. This is a channel where we teach Igbo language. This is a channel where you can learn Igbo cultures. If you're a beginner and you want to learn how to speak Igbo, you're welcome to this channel. If you're married to an Igbo man or you're married to an Igbo woman and you want to learn how to speak Igbo very fast, this channel is for you. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys few words to use when you want to speak Igbo language. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Number 1, dalo. 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 What is dalo in Igbo language? Thank you. Dalo is thank you. Thank you is dalo. Dalo, that is thank you. Dalo. You can also say imela. Imela is also dalo. Imela. Some people say imela. Some people say dalo. It's all thank you. 2. Ibatago. Ibatago. What is Ibatago? What is Ibatago? Ibatago is, are you back? Are you back? That is Ibatago. Are you back? That is what is called Ibatago. Are you back? Are you back from the market? Ibatago. Ilotago ahia. Ilotago ahia. Are you back from the market? Ilotago ahia. Some people say ilotago afia. Some people say ilotago ahia. Ahia is market. Ahia. Ahia is market. Ahia is market. Ilotago. Are you back? Are you back? That is ilotago. Are you back? 3. Kedu ki mere? Kedu ki mere? Do you know what is kedu ki mere? How are you? How are you? When you see someone, you say, Kedu ki mere? Practice make perfect. Don't be shy. Don't be ashamed that you don't know how to speak Igbo. You can just learn it here. When you go out, you just meet people that you know they can speak Igbo. Just tell them, Kedu ki mere? They'll be like, huh? So you understand Igbo. So you can speak. Just tell them, Kedu ki mere? Kedu ki mere is, how are you? How are you? How are you doing? How are you? Kedu ki mere? 4. Aha gi ogini. Aha gi ogini. Do you know what that means? What is your name? Aha gi ogini. What is your name? Aha gi ogini. That is, what is your name? You go out, you meet people that you know they can speak Igbo. Just ask one of them. Aha gi ogini. Don't be shy in saying it. Don't be ashamed to say it. However you say it, they understand you. As far as the person speaks Igbo, they understand you. Just say, aha gi ogini. The person will know what you're saying. Aha gi ogini means, what is your name? 5. Ịmara mma nke ukwuu. Ịmara mma nke ukwuu. Ị mara mma nke ukwuu. Do you know what that means? It means you are so beautiful. Ị mara mma nke ukwuu. It means you are so beautiful. You saw a beautiful girl outside. You saw a handsome man outside. You just say, Ị mara mma nke ukwuu. Whether it's a man or a woman, all is Ị mara mma nke ukwuu. You see someone you like or someone that's looking beautiful, and you know this person understands Igbo, you say, Ị mara mma nke ukwuu. The person is going to say, oh, daalụ. Daalụ is thank you. The person will tell you, daalụ or daalụ rinne. Thank you very much. You tell the person, Ị mara mma nke ukwuu. You are so beautiful. And the person replies you with, daalụ rinne. Thank you very much. 6. Ị dị afọ ole? Ị dị afọ ole? Ị dị afọ ole? You know what that means? How old are you? How old are you? Ị dị afọ ole? How old are you? You can meet someone, you ask the person, Ị dị afọ ole? When you practice it, it's going to be more easier for you to learn Igbo language. Practice makes perfect. Ị dị afọ ole? How old are you? Ị dị afọ ole? 7. Ị wụ onye ebee? Ị wụ onye ebee? Ị wụ onye ebee? Do you know what that means? Where are you from? Where are you from? Ị wụ onye ebee? Where are you from? Are you from Enugu? Are you from Imo State? Are you from Edo? Are you from Calabar? Are you from America? Are you from Italy? Are you from Germany? Where are you from? That is, Ị wụ onye ebee? Ị wụ onye ebee? Just ask someone and say, excuse me, Ị wụ onye ebee? Person is going to tell maybe I'm from America, I'm from London, I'm from Dubai. Ị wụ onye ebee? 8. Kee ka ụbọchị gị si gaa? Kee ka ụbọchị gị si gaa? Kee ka ụbọchị gị si gaa? You know what that means? Kee ka ụbọchị gị si gaa? How was your day today? How was your day today? Kee ka ụbọchị gị si gaa? How was your day today? Your husband just stepped in. You say, oh, hubby, kee ka ụbọchị gị si gaa? Your wife just step in. You know your wife is an Igbo woman. You say, kee ka ụbọchị gị si gaa? They are going to be happy that you speak their language. They are going to be very happy that at least you can hear one in their language. Kee ka ụbọchị gị si gaa? How was your day? How was your day? Kee ka ụbọchị gị si gaa? Kee ihe na-agụ gị? Kee ihe na-agụ gị iri? Kee ihe na-agụ gị iri? Kee ihe na-agụ gị iri? Do you know what that means? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Kee ihe na-agụ gị iri? What do you want to eat? Kee ihe na-agụ gị iri? Number 9. Isi na-awa m. Isi na-awa m. Do you know what is isi? head. I'm having headache. My head is paining me, or I'm having headache. Isi na wam. I'm having headache. Isi na wam. I'm having headache. That is isi na wam. Number 10. The last but not the least. Kuterem mmiri. Kuterem mmiri. Some people say gbataram mmiri. Kuterem mmiri. Some people say gbataram mmiri. Some people say kuterem mmiri. Kuterem mmiri. Kuterem mmiri. Do you know what that means? Do you know what that means? Fetch water for me. Kuterem mmiri. Can even do shakara when saying it. Kuterem mmiri. Fetch water for me. Kuterem mmiri. Fetch water for me. Fetch water for me. That is kuterem mmiri. Some people say kuterem mmiri. Some people say chuterem mmiri. It's all the same. Like kuterem mmiri, chuterem mmiri is all the same as fetch water for me. All is fetch water for me. Kuterem mmiri, chuterem mmiri, fetch water for me. If you now want to say achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. I want to drink water. Achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. I want to drink water. Now we are going to make sentences with water. We are going to list 5 things you can say with water. Number 1, kuterem mmiri. Fetch water for me. Fetch water for me. Number 2, achọrọ m ịṅụ mmiri. I want to drink water. I want to drink water. Number 3, fichaa mmiri ahụ. Fichaa mmiri ahụ. You know what that means? Fichaa mmiri ahụ. Clean that water. Maybe someone poured water on the ground. You say, clean that water. Fichaa mmiri ahụ. Clean that water. That is, fichaa mmiri ahụ. Clean that water. Number 4. Dosa mmiri ahụ. Dosa mmiri ahụ. Keep that water. 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 Number 6. Wufuo mmiri ahụ. Wufuo mmiri ahụ. Pour the water. Pour it out. Wufuo mmiri ahụ. Wufuo mmiri ahụ. Pour out that water. Pour it away. Pour it out. Wufuo mmiri ahụ. These are 5 things you can use when talking about water. Mmiri. Any type. The ones I remember, the ones I don't remember. The ones you can also remember, you can make sentences with them. Wufuo mmiri ahụ. Pour out the water. Ị gara ụlọ akwụkwọ taa? Ị gara ụlọ akwụkwọ taa? Ị gara ụlọ akwụkwọ taa? Did you go to school today? Ị gara ụlọ akwụkwọ taa? Did you go to school today? Ị gara ụlọ akwụkwọ taa? Did you go to school today? Kee ihe ị na-ele? Kee ihe ị na-ele? What are you watching? Kee ihe ị na-ele? What are you watching? Kee ihe ị na-ele? Ị na-agba ọsọ? Ị na-agba ọsọ? Are you running? Ị na-agba ọsọ? Are you running? Ị na-agba ọsọ? Are you running? Ị na-agba ọsọ? Say it with me. Ị na-agba ọsọ? Ị na-agba ọsọ? Are you running? Ị na-agba ọsọ? I'm going to link some of my videos up, whether here or here. So you click them, you learn the Igbo language, the easy Igbo language. It's going to help you improve on how to speak Igbo language. Nobody knows tomorrow. You might get married to Igbo man. You might get married to Igbo woman. God can just lead you to marry Igbo man or marry Igbo woman. You understand? So you have to be practicing to show him or her that you can also speak their language. Even if you're not married to them, you want to communicate with them, you can learn it. You can just maybe go out, tell them, Kedu ki imere, how are you? And they will be like, huh? You can speak? You understand? So practice makes it perfect. When you cling to the channel, you're going to watch parts of the bodies, part of your body in Igbo language. If you have anything you feel like you want to ask me in Igbo language, ask me. I will reply you. Or I will make a video with it. I will reply you with a video or reply you in the comment section. So guys, we'll come to the bus stop of this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell over there so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be able to see it. Don't forget to share with your family. Don't forget to share with your friends. See you guys in my next video. Bye.